Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix phone call dialer keypad change problem or only home and keypad showing problem. Okay, let's start and solve with clarity. Open the setting on your phone. Now scroll down. Click on apps. Click on search icon. Type your phone. Now scroll down. Click on storage. Click on clear cache and clear data. Click on delete. Go back. Now click on force stop. Click on OK. Click on archive. Now click on restart. OK. Now click on apps details in store. App downloaded from Google Play Store. Now click here. Click on uninstall. Now uninstall. Click here. Now click on install. Just wait. Now click on open. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.